Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Wondering if we do international shipping? Yes, we do. We ship all over the world, and we'd love to help you out with your international order. However, this website does not process international shipments. So wondering, hey, how can I order from Cloud Ninjas to be able to ship to where I live? This is what I need you to do. Email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales, S-A-L-E-S, at cloudninjas.com. Send us the link for the product you want to buy. If it's a specific part or a kit, just send us the link and say, hey, I want to buy these, for example, 416 gigs, or these, or I want to buy this server. If it's a server, let us know the configuration that you're looking for. But in general, just email our sales team and let us know specifically what you're looking for. What we will do is send back a link that will allow you to check out internationally, but we just need you to tell us exactly what you want. Email us. I'm sorry, I know it's not the most convenient way, but unfortunately, the site is not set up to be able to manage all customs and everything like that. So this will be the easiest way to do it. We appreciate your business and wish you a wonderful day.